How to remain in your power while the outcome is still unfolding. This video is so important because we're not just talking about patience. We are talking about a special blend of patience, belief, and massive fucking trust in yourself and the universe while the unseen does what it does and you have no fucking evidence except the truth that you know within that thing gnawing at you in the pit of your stomach, that knowing that what you want is yours no matter what. And if you stay on the path of knowing and going towards it, you will receive it. That is what we're discussing in this episode of Roxy Talks. Stay tuned. What is up, my gorgeous, beautiful, magical unicorn, creative creature, visionary beauty? Welcome to another episode of Roxy Talks, where we discuss exactly how you live the life your soul came here to live. I am Roxy Lee, your favorite manifestation coach turned business psychic and timeline oracle, and I'm fucking here to make sure that you are doing the reason your soul came to earth in that beautiful ass body and is doing you right now. And if at any time during this video you're like, Roxy, can we just like sit down and you look into my situation, tell me where the blocks are, tell me where the money is, tell me where the opportunity is, tell me where the success is, tell me where the happiness is. Yes, that is what I do in my private work, roxytalks.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And while you're down there, I want you to download my free audio series, Paid to Lead. It is going to tap you into your highest paid version, doing your highest work, knowing how important you and your mission is every single day so you can lead from the perspective of like, fuck yeah, I am the one, my work is so fucking important. You need to download it. I don't care how much money you've ever made in your business, $0, $1 million or more. Download Paid to Lead for free. It's in the description below. And if you enjoy this kind of content where I'm going to help you live a life that is truly extraordinary, that your soul is going to be bragging about for eons, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. I drop brand new videos every Monday and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. PST, and I'm always chatting live during the premiere, so make sure you come say hi. And if you're feeling generous, please like and share. That helps us reach as many people as possible, and everyone deserves to make the most money that they can doing the reason their soul came to the planet. All right, let's just get straight into this because this concept is very important. It can be very frustrating. I know what it feels like to feel something so strongly, to know your truth about a situation in your body, to trust what you see, to trust what you feel, even though there is no evidence that it's working in your favor. I know what it's like to want something and have to show up every day without it and still orient yourself toward the life where you actually do have it, to move through the dark, through your own fears, to heal, to grow, to know that what you want is on the other side and that you can believe, you can trust, you can surrender. I know how difficult that is. I know how hard it is to give up control. I know how hard it is to lay down the doubts, to stop letting them win, to actually fall in love with the idea that it could work out for you. I know that shit is scary. And then when you combine that with the indefinite amount of patience, and I'm saying indefinite because nobody knows how long it takes for your desire to unfold. But if the answer is 100 days, for example, if the answer is in 100 days, you will get the thing if for the next 100 days you stay on the path, even though you have zero evidence. Now on day 0, 100 days might seem like a long time. I have to wait 100 days. I have to believe 100 days. I have to keep moving forward with zero evidence for 100 days. I have to stay tapped out of what I truly want for 100 days. That's a lot. I don't know if I can do it. I don't want to wait that long. Okay, well, tomorrow, it's still going to be 100 days, but you just lost a day. So now it's 101. And the next day, if you don't get on the path, it's still 100 days, and now it's going to be 102. And so pretty soon, that 100 days goes by really fucking fast. Pretty soon, you're already halfway through 2020 motherfucking 6. Can you imagine if your desire had come through 100 days ago? Life moves time moves. If you want the thing, you have to stay on the path of trusting and knowing. You have to go in the direction of it. And every day you are working on becoming the person that can have that reality, that can hold that reality, that can show up in that relationship as the partner you know you're supposed to be, that can show up in your business as the leader you know you came here to be. Even without the evidence, you still do it because it's who you are. You're forging something in fire that you don't realize is happening under the surface as you continue to show up despite a lack of evidence, despite any word from the 3D reality. Something inside you knows and keeps pushing you forward. Something inside you knows you are meant for more than what your eyes can currently see. You're meant for more than the life that you're currently living. But in order to get to that next stage, you have to walk through the dark. And you have to hold your own hand through it. You have to be your own faith. Your faith is built every single day that you move forward and you don't collapse and you don't give up. And I'm not saying be perfect. I'm not saying have blind faith and never doubt. I'm saying, what do you do about that? You have a doubt, and then what? If every doubt you have, you turn into encouragement, now you're back on path. That's 360 method. That's exactly how I teach you to never skip one of those days. If it's 100 days, bitch, we're getting there in 100 days, not 101, not 110, 100 days. Because for the next 100 days and beyond, I'm going to be the version of me that lives the life I know is mine. I'm going to push through. I'm going to trust in myself. I'm going to be vulnerable. I'm going to be open. I'm going to give. I'm going to process. I'm going to heal. I'm going to fall down, scrape my knees up, put a Band-Aid on, and keep fucking going. And in the meantime, while I'm waiting for that thing and I to unite at the end of this path, before a new path is born from that union, I'm going to trust that walking this path is going to lead me to the greatest adventure of my life. I'm going to trust that walking this path is going to get me to the reality I've been asking for. I'm going to do the work to be the person that has that life, that sustains that life, that doesn't sabotage it, that doesn't push it away, that doesn't fear it, that doesn't ruin it. So that's what's really happening. Let's put it in plain fucking terms. When you're waiting on something to come through, you should be healing the parts of yourself that would fucking ruin it if you got it today. That's the real shit. That's the realest way I can say this. So if you feel like what you want isn't coming through as fast as you want, you're welcome. You're welcome because you're being forged in the fire. Right now, what's happening while you think things aren't working out for you, while you think things are stalled or slow or whatever, what's actually happening is you're learning and growing every day into the person that's not going to fuck that up when you get it. Because a lot of people don't have a receiving problem. They actually have a holding problem. They can get the thing, but then they sabotage it and send it away. The fears, worries, doubts come up. They're entertained, they're reactivated, and the cycle continues. So you must actually become a different person while you're waiting for the thing to arrive, while you're awaiting the convergence point. And the cool thing is that that thing that you are attracting is a match to you. And that means as you elevate, so does it. As you raise your standards, the type of partner that you're able to attract raises. The person that would be the match to you also has to raise their shit in order to be in resonance with you. Your business elevates because you elevate. More money, more clients, more joy, more success comes to you because you become a higher frequency match to more, to yes, to thank you, to I believe, to I show up no matter what. Because if you have to have the thing in order to be the person, you'll never have the thing. You have to be it first in order to create the frequency, in order to create that resonance that draws it in. This is like tuning fork shit, okay? This is beyond what you can see with your eyes. This is energetic resonance, energetic frequency. This is happening on the planet whether you believe in it or not. So when you put yourself in resonance with yes, with possibility, with I know, with I trust, with I surrender, with I will stop pushing, I will not fear, I will learn the lesson, I will integrate it, I will be patient, I will keep going. that is the frequency of receiving better than you could ever imagine. Better than you've even imagined. So how do you remain in your power while the outcome is still unfolding? You work on yourself. You build your self-trust. You create evidence. You remind yourself, oh yeah, when I show up for me, it actually works in my favor. And if you don't have that evidence, go fucking build it. Go build some right now. Show up for yourself. Don't give in to the doubts. The 3D reality is going to 3D. It's going to 3D. I'm going to link my video about ignoring what your 3D shows you and changing that to a more elevated perspective. If you do that on repeat, you're going to change your mindset, you're going to change your truth, your identity, and you're going to change your reality really fucking fast. That's 360 method. I teach you how to do exactly that because your reality is created in every single moment. It's minute by minute, moment by moment, thought by thought. And until you understand how to control the way you're thinking about your reality, you're going to stay stuck in a life that is very similar to everything that you've ever experienced. The only way to create something truly different and truly extraordinary is to begin thinking and behaving truly different, to begin thinking and behaving truly extraordinarily. So that is what I teach you to do in 360 method because I want you to live the life that is so unfathomable that you've barely allowed yourself to dream about it. But if you were to allow yourself to dream about it, you oriented yourself and you said, you know what? This is the dream of the thing that I want to receive. This is what I want to create. This is what I want to experience. This is the wild and unstoppable life that I have envisioned for myself, and I'm going to fucking have it. So I'm going to point myself in this direction. I am going to keep my eye on the prize, which is me, but I'm going to keep my eye on the star of where I'm going. I'm going to stay headed in the right direction. I'm going to heal myself. I'm going to heal my sabotage. I'm going to heal my pain. I'm going to heal my heartbreak. I'm going to heal my fear. I'm going to heal my wounds. I'm going to heal my past. I'm going to heal my trauma. All the while still moving forward so that when I get to that destination, I am the one who can actually live that fucking life. I can actually be the person who has it, who doesn't diminish it, who doesn't chase it away, who doesn't scare it, who doesn't destroy it, the one who has it, who grows it, who cherishes it, and integrates it into their life. And if you don't do this, this is why you can work on things forever and you can do so much healing work and then not actually change, because the change doesn't go from mind to body to reality. It stays stuck in the mind. And again, that's what I teach you in 360 method. It is the embodiment. It is truly becoming the version of you that gets that reality. When you get there, when reality comes back around and shows you the thing, you are now prepped, primed, and ready to fucking hold it and have it. And you don't have to worry about losing it. You don't have to worry about self-sabotaging anymore because you've healed that stuff and you've learned to recognize when you start to fall back in those patterns. That is 360. So I will leave a link to 360 in the description below, 360method.co. I want you to be the person that your soul came to be, period. That's my main objective. I want you to live the life that your soul signed you up for because it's fucking magnificent. It's glorious. It's beautiful. It's titillating. It's sensual. It's amazing. You have to try it. You got to get a taste of this fucking life because why else are you on planet Earth? So I want you to comment down below. I am allowing myself to receive my dream life. I am allowing myself to receive my dream life. And forewarning, I don't know what's going to happen when you surrender to the universe to allowing you to do that. There will be energetic spankings and I don't know when and how or what they're going to feel like or what lesson you will learn. But if you're open to learning, if you're open to changing, if you hear the call and you actually fucking pick up the phone and you answer, you will be led and you will be guided. But you have to trust and you have to keep moving forward even when there's no evidence, because it is that determination, that gumption, that dedication that actually gets you to the place where the convergence point happens. You can receive your desires and now you're ready to actually have that life and grow it and go live it. And that is what I want for you so much. That is why I do this work. If you want to sit down with me and have me look into your situation and tell you exactly where these things are within you, how you self-sabotage, how you block, how to hold the line while this thing is unfolding, what the landscape looks like for your manifestation and where things are coming through. That's what I do in my private work. You can find it at roxytalks.com and I'll leave a link in the description below. And make sure you download Paid to Lead so that you can get paid for your highest work, so that you can be the version of you that brings your purpose to the planet on the scale your soul intended. I want to see you do the reason you're on the fucking planet. Paid to Lead. It's a free audio series below. You need to download it right now. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. I drop new videos every Monday and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. PST, and I'm always chatting live during the premiere, so make sure you come say hi. And if you're feeling generous, please like and share. That helps us reach as many people as possible. And everybody deserves to be in their highest timeline, to be the happiest version of themselves, making money, doing what they love, being their best fucking selves. That is what I'm here to do. And that's why you're here watching. I love you so much. You are needed. You are necessary. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. I'll see you next time.